How to redeem 1.25 Xbox gift card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this comprehensive video tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple process of redeeming a $1.25 Xbox gift card. So follow the instructions carefully to not only learn how to redeem the Xbox gift card but also any gift card of varying values. To begin, navigate to the Xbox Rewards or the Microsoft Rewards page. Access this page through a web browser on your computer or the mobile device, or directly through the Microsoft software app on your gaming console. Once on the page, locate the 1.25 Xbox gift card and simply select and redeem the specific gift card or any other of your choice. Upon successful redemption, you will receive a unique code. Make sure to jot down this code for the future reference. To redeem the code, visit Microsoft.com/redeem through your web browser on either of your computer or phone. You will be prompted to confirm your current Microsoft account. After verification, enter the code you've received for the Xbox gift card and complete the necessary details and just simply redeem the gift card. You can repeat this process with multiple gift cards, adding them to your account balance for the future purchases in the Microsoft Store. Remember that you may need a credit or a debit card linked to your account for certain transactions, such as acquiring the Game Pass. While you can also redeem the gift cards directly through the Microsoft Store on your console, I recommend using the Microsoft.com/redeem website for a smoother experience. I trust that this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the redemption process. If you found this video beneficial, please consider liking and subscribing for more straightforward tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Happy gaming!